Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will taking you on an evening tour of Parliament Hill. Parliament Hill is home to Canada's government where representatives from across Canada gather to make laws that affect the lives of every citizen. Along with the Parliament, other government officials, hotels or an UNESCO World Heritage Site Radio Canal are situated here. Let's begin the tour from metro station of Parliament Hill. Parliament Station is an underground station. It is located in the heart of Ottawa's downtown, just steps away from Parliament Hill. We came outside the station from Queen Street. This is Confederation Building that is located just west of the Parliament buildings. Its outer walls are made of stonework and the roof is made of copper. Often you would come across people who are enjoying their bike rides. A few steps ahead we have House of Commons building. East block is present on the other side. The main door of House of Commons is located towards south. There are 338 members present in House of Commons. They are also called as MPs, that is Member of Parliament, that are elected during elections. We see the Parliament right next to the House of Commons. It is a home of Canadian government. In front of Parliament, we see the centennial flame commemorating the 100th anniversary of the Canadian Confederation. After walking ahead, we see an amazing monument of War of 1812 that was sculptured by Ellison. The monument reveals a Royal Navy sailor pulling a rope, a woman bandaging the arm of a French combatant, and a Metis fighter firing a cannon. Now we are walking towards back of the Parliament. From there you can see the views that are fascinating. Right in front of us we can see Alexandra Bridge that was constructed by Canadian Pacific Railway. The bridge crosses the Ottawa River just east of the hill at Nepean Point in Ottawa. At both ends of the bridge there are two major museums. In Gatineau side of the river is the Canadian Museum of History, while on the Ottawa side is the National Art Gallery. If you want to visit museum, please check their websites and do come in date. Then we will move towards statue of Queen Victoria. In between we see Victoria Tower bell, that is the only relic remaining from the Victoria Tower. Ottawa River is a place of great natural beauty and has been a source of inspiration for many artists and writers past and present. Here came the statue of Queen Victoria. That is a bronze sculpture depicting Queen Victoria to mark her diamond jubilee. From the front of Parliament Hill, we are walking on Wellington Street towards National War Memorial. The memorial symbolizes the sacrifices made by all Canadians who have died or may yet die for their country. From the memorial, we can walk down to Radio Canal from the other side of the street. The canal was opened in 1832 as a precaution in case of war with US. It remains in use today primarily for pleasure boating, with most of its original structure intact. Here we can see the Bytown Museum. It provides a comprehensive overview of the origins of Bytown and its development and growth into the present city of Ottawa. In evening, the beauty of Ottawa River is quite fascinating. Coming up from the Radio Canal, we will walk towards Byward Market. On the way, you can see Fairmont Hotel, Senate of Canada and Radio Center. At night, the streets are looking amazing. The Byward Market is Ottawa's #1 tourist attraction and is the premier destination for shopping, dining, arts, entertainment, and professional. When we are walking back towards metro station, we see an Ottawa sign where we clicked a photo for our memory. And then we boarded metro for our way back home. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share it as much as you can.